Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you send Shopify Collaborator request, right? How you can do it. It's very easy to do it. This is my Shopify store. In the bottom left side corner you will see this settings icon. Just click over there. Once you click over there, on the left side you will see a lot of options. Just go to the third option, which is called user and permissions, right? Once you're here, you will just scroll a little bit down, and here you can see this is a collaborator option, and below here you will get this two option. Anyone can send a collaborator request. It means that anybody can send it, but I will suggest you just select this one. Only people with a collaborator request code can send a collaborator request, right? So you have to make a code. In my Shopify store it's 2100. So until and unless if I don't send this code to that person who want to send me a collaborator request, that person can't send me, right? I hope you understood it. If you want to generate a new code, just click on generate new code, and here it will ask you once again, and this is my new code. I can just write my own code here. For example, let me try. I don't think that is possible because it's not possible anyway. So here, from here you can just copy it and you can send it, and this is how you can do it. I hope guys you found this video very useful. If you did, subscribe.